Hi, my name is Eileen Hull. I've been asked to talk about how I use the crease pad, and honestly, I do not use the crease pad too much because I am cutting thick stuff like matboard and chipboard, and the crease pad was not designed to work with that. What it's meant to do is to kind of form a gentle fold on paper and things like that. However, in my experimenting, I did find out a cool thing. Did you know that you can emboss with your crease pad? Let me show you how. So we're going to take this die. This is the new journaling card, Flowers and Leaves, and I've just gotten a nice piece of thick cardstock here, and I'm going to place my die on it and roll this through and wait until you see what happens. Now here is what happened when I cut through it with using 2 cutting pads. Now we will use the crease pad. So let me show you what I've got here. Now I've used very thick super stock, so what's happened is it has embossed it and formed this really pretty little background. So what I can do is take my die and place that on top and use it as a stencil. I could ink that and color each individual leaf. So I hope that you will take your crease pad and see what you can create with it.